Hello, welcome back to our stream for the core 2022. So yesterday we wrote a new agent and it's submitted to the leaderboard and it got, I think, 1176, which is like okay-ish, not too good and not too bad. It's definitely beating the previous one that we were optimizing, so that's a good sign. And today we're just gonna take a look at, the replays and see if we can come up with new strategies that make it better. I don't want it to turn into a tune against specific player, play type kind of thing. I kind of just want to optimize the agent itself and not tune against other players because I feel like that's fertile. As evident from my previous attempt here, you can see like the more I tune, the worse it becomes because if you tune against one player and he might do better, but then he might do worse against other players, right? So that's not a good thing actually. I learned the hard way, and also I posted some comment about the beta. I think I mentioned there's a lot of randomness I think in leaderboard. I'm not sure how to fix that, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Anyway, let's watch some replays. I think I was watching this one already. So this one we got fourth place, and the reason why we got fourth place is pretty funny. You see here we're doing like okay. We're currently like number 2 in terms of ship size and top in terms of shipyards, right? And then I think at this point, at turn 330, turn 330 is where let me show it to you. I think I changed this yesterday. So at turn 30 is when we decide if it's peaceful ending, right? So I think this peaceful ending kicked in because the total enemy shipyard count is more than 18 and total enemy ship is more than 800. So definitely peaceful ending. However, I didn't anticipate that I would actually get wiped out very, very soon. So like the peaceful ending kicked in at 330 and we got wiped like at, I think, here, like 360, 386. And if we didn't get wiped, we would have gotten actually number 2, right? So I think in this case, we just need to, make a better decision. When we want to go for a peaceful ending, we need to make sure that we have enough ships. And basically, we have enough ships to make sure that, we don't get wiped. I think that's the most important thing. Yeah, so well, I think what happens is, so there's a few ways I can do this, right? So one thing I can do is write a new strategy called like losing peaceful ending to handle the case where we're losing and it's a peaceful ending, right? So that's one way, and the other way is I can add some logic in the peaceful ending to tune against this specific scenario, right? I feel like I should be able to write a new one. Yeah, so I think once you go into peaceful ending and then if we're losing, we're actually losing, then we need to kind of turn it off, I guess. Actually, I'm not too sure how to best handle this situation, right? Peaceful ending, and I think the other player has more than 5 times our ship count at this point in time. So we're losing if we're obviously losing. So I feel like if we're losing, then maybe we could just build more ships. I guess that works, right? We need to maintain like a ship count. I will have a minimum ship count of like 200. I guess we can just use the other formula, overwhelmingly less, right? Yeah. So we don't want to get eliminated. Oh yeah, I think that's the idea, right? So we don't want to get eliminated. So I think I will write a new strategy actually. Overwhelming disadvantage. I think this is a good parallel to have with the other one. So if our total shipyard is less than the top player, then we go into you know, elimination prevention mode. I think that makes sense. Do I want to build another strategy though? Can I just reuse the peaceful ending strategy? Are we still building ships? Oh, actually, we can download the logs to take a look, right? So I guess we can just download the logs to take a look at what we were actually doing towards the end. What rep? Option Z. Mine small, nothing to do. Alright, alright. So we want to prevent loss, right? We need to maintain minimum, maintain ship count, right? I feel like there's a lot of mine small and 31 peaceful mine medium. Okay. We need to definitely build ship. We're not spawning ships, right? I think that's a problem. Yeah, we're not building ships. I think we were in some cases, but not all of them. Maybe we can get away with just building more ships. What is the peaceful ending strategy? It's basically mining, right? I think we just need to write a new strategy to maintain the ship count. I think. So in all the peaceful ending mode, we can add a maintain ship count. I think in the peaceful ending mode, maintain ship count is more important than mining, right? Definitely for sure. So I think we'll just do that. I think this is a good thing to have. Maintain ship count strategy, right? I think maintain ship count strategy doesn't need to care about, to wait, actually isn't maintain ship count as same as build ship? Let's see. It actually is build ship, right? So we don't need a separate strategy. I forgot that we're doing this composing strategy thingy. Yeah, let's add one more if else here. If we have an overwhelming disadvantage, then we need to actually build ship. Prioritize building ship over everything else. So would there be a case where I have 20 ships and they have 40 ships? This is only in the very late game. The peaceful ending is very late game. Overwhelming disadvantage. I feel like we should have at least like 100 ships, right? So I don't know what's a good number. I think by 100 ships it's already too late. I think here we might have a chance. Not enough ships. Not enough ships late game. I think this is more clear. Go to false. Let's think, how do we want to compose the strategy here? Do we want to care about whether it's late game or not? I think we do need to care, right? I think late game is 350, right? Is late game equals turn greater than 350? So this would replace this. If I think we can put it here. Not enough ships later, right? Late game, right? So if we don't, if we're at overwhelming disadvantage or we don't have enough ships in late game, then we will build ships, right? So I think let's test this out. I don't want to roll it out yet. I wanted to see if it actually works. So this is our previous baseline, right? I want to compare whether it's actually better. As you can see, it was not doing particularly well, but it wasn't getting eliminated either. So I think I just wanted to be like similar to this. Yeah. Okay. Prevent elimination, right? Avoid late game being eliminated. And let's write some evaluation. Okay, be right back. Right, we're back. It's still not finished. Oh my god, it's actually slow. Yeah, maybe let's watch another clip first. Oh my god, this one we got eliminated super fast. Oh, okay, we're getting attacked by like... So we're attacked by the pink and blue almost at the same time. So west 25, okay. And then we get attacked again. Here. I think maybe we put the shipyard a little bit too early. But sometimes we can get away with it, right? So I don't want to tune against that. And sometimes it does pay off to put it early, right? We're just attacked by two people. I guess we can slightly tune the first shipyard. I don't know, man. I think it's rough. Oh, and my ship got killed here as well. So that's like... Wait, why did it send 26E? Uh-huh. I think that one was wrong, right? It's supposed to avoid that. It was programmed to avoid that. Oh, that's 131. This one. My middle. It's definitely supposed to avoid that, but it didn't. Oh no, I think I know why. It's not using the best safe loop, it's using the best loop. Oh my god, this is such a huge bug. I wonder why we didn't caught it earlier. If best safe loop, return best safe loop, right? I think that makes sense. And then if we cannot find it, then fallback. We could even add a process dot write. Oh, I guess that's not even doesn't even matter. I think this will drastically increase our chance of success. This one looks okay. And looks okay. This one is interesting. So we're not losing, but we're also not winning very hard. Okay, I think that one was definitely an improvement. So we'll keep it. Mine safely. But we do have a fallback, so it's gonna do better or equal. It cannot do worse, I think. I hope. Let's run this and see if it works. I think it should work. So this has like we call bug fixes, not optimization. So we're just trying to fix bugs in our previous implementation. So I don't want to like tune against specific players. This is just bug fix, so I think should be fine. Oh, we're actually losing super hard here. Or maybe it's not taking enough risk now. I honestly don't. Okay, so we send out, then the other player is not sending out their ships very safely, I guess. That's why we collided. But here we'll actually have a pretty good advantage. And we're still attacking. But I think at here we realize it's just safe ending, so we just pursued the safe ending route. Wait a second, why is it not safe ending route here? Okay, that's interesting. Build ship. We're still building ships. At least majority of them is building ships, right? It looks weird though. It's not supposed to. I don't think it's supposed to have so many build ships. Like every single turn it's building ships. You definitely prioritize. Oh, I see. I see. We wrote the formula wrong here. No wonder. Oh my god, it's such a stupid mistake. Yeah, we're definitely overwhelmingly disadvantaged every single time if we do that. Um, so my bad. I wrote that formula completely in the reverse. Yeah, we only disadvantage if we don't have enough ships, like not multiply the top player, multiply us. Okay, now it should make sense. Okay, so this one we actually winning. Doesn't really count. I guess mine safely is, I don't know, it's definitely discouraging risk taking. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Actually, I'm not too sure. I'm not 100% sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And now we're winning. Now we're talking, right? Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Build ship. As you can see, we don't have any more build ships. Yep, looks pretty good. Okay, fix disadvantage bug. This. So this is definitely gonna do better. Definitely gonna do better. Very strong feeling that this is gonna do better. Let's keep watching the replay. Okay, this is the one where we didn't consider the disadvantage. And this one is questionable. If we could have done anything better. We were very close to. Oh wait, why did it not fly off? Oh, why did it not fly off? I think this is a micro optimization, but definitely a bug that should be fixed as a last resort, right? I think the last resort was not coded correctly here. So that's 198. Yeah, 198. Prepare collide spawn as many. Okay, it shouldn't have done that for sure. Should not have done that. Distance is greater than 3. Ah, okay, I see. Okay, I guess we have to make a modification here. This will take care of the case where multiple fleets attack. Multiple fleets. One by one. If collide distance is smaller than distance, then we update the collide distance. I think that makes sense. And then once you do that, this will evaluate to true. This will evaluate to true as well. So it will launch the last resort, and it would be flying up or down, hopefully, and then yeah, it will have a chance of surviving at least. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's not make too many changes at one go so that we don't accidentally change something catastrophically wrong. Let's take it slow. Wait for this evaluation to be over. It's taking very, very long. Two minutes. Looks okay. Looks okay again. That looks pretty good. Oh, we should actually trim the numbers, I feel like. I learned a lesson hard way. We should always run evaluation after we make a change so that we avoid like random bugs being introduced. Also, why is this source activating? I'm not sure why, but okay. Let's also run the test. Okay, it's passing. Good. Kaggle, not the greatest, but it's okay, I guess. Right, distance, update, rule. Let's run another evaluation and watch more replay. Yeah, so this one should be okay. Let's watch the other one. Yeah, I have to resist tuning like this doing this kind of micro tuning because they're not very high ROI, I would say. Oh, holy shit. Just took a hit. Just like that. Holy shit, do you see that? Like, two players attacking us like crazy. That's actually crazy. But they also lost quite a lot of... Actually, it's two players. Okay, two players, not three players. Three players would be crazy here. Okay, so it took over again, and this guy attacked us again. So the red attacked us. No. And we just suicided again. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I'm not too sure how to tune the gas. We could set a rule that we maintain a minimum number of ships. Like oh, by the way, I'm Julian, so the pink one. Right. So hmm. So when did it choose to send? I mean, I'm now like guessing like what's their logic, right? I mean, we could optimize it such that it calculates safe paths, ignoring safe immediate path, right? So that's a micro optimization. Calculate immediate safe path for 10 only. So this is the last resort thing. So if the last resort, we only calculate the safe path for the next 10 turns. Don't care about all these other things, right? Feel like that's something we could do. but that's a micro optimization, so we'll park it under consider. Oh yeah, we have actually a few ideas that I've been thinking. One of them is mine between two shipyards instead of using loops. I think I saw this from another player. And also take over empty shipyards or go to a nearby base for last resort. So I think maybe also applicable here. Let's see. So at this stage, there's 3 attackers, and there's actually an empty shipyard there. Right? So we could have taken over the empty shipyard as a last resort, which is pretty good. Yeah, definitely. I think this one is pretty good. Very good. Good. Okay, I think this one we're gonna do for sure. It looks very good in a lot of situations. Drastically improve our chance of surviving, I guess. Let's see this case. This attacker, we did the last resort. We should have gone to the other base, but oh no, we collided at the same time as this guy. We did a lot of collision. We didn't get that cargo as well. Okay, so everything went pretty horrendously. Basically everything went wrong. We have 26 ship left. At this point, it's pretty much over. But maybe if we're only winning the other cases because we expanded early, right? So that's another thing we need to consider. If we're being overly defensive, then we might not win those ones that we won. So that's another very important thing to consider. So for example, let's watch a one that we won. Maybe it's because we spawned very aggressively that we won. Let's see, in this case, we built our first shipyard here, and we immediately got attacked. But I think before it went bad, we already at least got some ships up, right? So we had more ships than the other people. So that's actually an advantage for us, right? And then we took over again, and then like we're like the first to have 3 shipyards, right? Yeah, we are the first to have 3 shipyards, and then it just becomes a lot easier to win the game like this. So yeah, I think there's some merit to spawning the shipyard early. I think we'll stick to that. I'm not gonna change that because I think that's also the reason why the previous agent was actually doing so much better. I think this one, 12201, is doing so much better than the others. Oh no, this guy is actually winning. Oh, I didn't realize he's actually above us already. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's watch more. Okay, this has already finished, so let's watch the evaluation first. Okay, looks pretty good. Pretty good. Not gonna lie, this is pretty good. We only lost like 2 games. Maybe, yeah, 2 games. And the others we're winning by a huge margin. This one we also won some elimination even. Okay, so this is overall very good. This is a very good. This is actually a very good agent. Okay, so I think since this agent is so good, I'm gonna leave a checkpoint here. This is gonna be our new baseline because it's just vastly better. Right? So I'm gonna call this main new, and it's just gonna be our new baseline agent, and it's like much better than our previous baseline, I think. So this main new is gonna call the main new TypeScript agent. So this is gonna be our new agent. Okay, let's record this moment. Feature AI new baseline. Okay, very nice. So we have a new baseline. Let's watch to see if we can come with something even better. Holy shit, we got attacked like crazy here. Yeah, I feel like they're just attacking the person with the least amount of ships inside. Because technically we have more ships than the red guy, but this blue guy is choosing to attack us. The only reason I can think of is we have less ships in the shipyard, right? So, I mean, that's kind of dumb that it's coded in such a way. We swap base and we got attacked again. We swap base again. It's pretty funny. And we got attacked again. So we have to swap base again, and this time round, I'm not sure why it went west instead of east. I feel like east is probably a better alternative. Interesting. So at this point, so this is board size minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we use board size minus 6, it wouldn't count this ship as on our collision path, right? So I think I will make that modification because I think that makes sense. So let's see. Is path save, get all points on fly path, right? So we don't predict the future. 31 minus 0. Times 0.8 is 24 minus 4. 34 minus 24 is 7. So it's just short of 1, I think. 1, 2. So it's making the calculation here. And it's calculating 24 moves, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So actually it should be safe. It actually should be safe. It's W, right? Maybe it's just on the edge. Maybe it was on the edge, right? Maybe it was on the edge. 249. Let's take a look at the log. Maybe we can find out. Fallback, right? So yeah, so it did took the fallback route, not the safe route. Oh, maybe we can simulate this situation in our test and write a test for this. That would help us, solidify this idea to see if it actually works better. Okay, that's an excellent idea. Why didn't I think of that before? Yeah, that's actually a very good idea. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna write a test for this specific case and see if we can do better. Works when there are two attackers nearby. And I would expect the path to be south or east, right? Oh, actually, this is the same thing here. So let's see. Shipyard position north. That's exactly correct. West. Oh, okay, so what is the path planned for this ship? Three east. So it's here is 3, 2, 1. So it's 1 east, right? 1 east. One, two, three, 4, 5. Minus 5. Y minus 1. And the direction and the fly path is south. 1 east. And continuing 1 and then turning east. Okay, let's see if it works. I think it should fail, right? Oh, it actually passed. Wait, what? How did I pass? Wait. How did I pass? I thought it didn't work in the real life. Hmm, 13 hours ago. When did we submit this? 11 hours ago. So definitely it's included in this code. Let's see what's the difference here. I think north is... Oh, it should be +1. Okay. Okay, I see why. It should be +1, not -1. This is +2. Okay, I need to console log the observations. Floor.fleece is empty. Wait, what? Oh wait, this is just empty. How can it be just like empty? At least this is working. Oh, why is it not working? I'm still quite curious on why it's not working. Okay, it's working. It's just the way I log it is wrong. Never mind. Collision map looks correct. Hmm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty sure I coded this correctly. Why I cannot reproduce this problem? Oh, there's another ship here. Ah. And it's 22. Okay. So it actually works. It actually works. So there's nothing wrong with macro logic. It's actually working as expected. And the only reason why it didn't went south is because there's also a ship flying south. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, actually, there's no ship flying south. Oh, so why didn't it south? Yeah, why didn't it move south? Oh, because there's a collision path there of the enemy ship, right? Ah, I see. Oh wait, it didn't have it. Actually, it didn't have it. There's nothing moving. Nothing is actually blocking it. Wait, there's nothing actually blocking this. That ship that I saw just now, it only got sent after I sent out that ship. So that's not a problem. $44, $22. Okay, I think. Okay, I think I know why. Yeah, I think I know how to simulate this. Random ship in the east of our shipyard. There's a random mining ship. In the east of our shipyard, right? So that would be the equivalent of this one. So it's gonna be like below us. Terms of x is gonna be about plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 9. And in terms of y, it's gonna be minus, right? So it's gonna be minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be minus 10. And it's just flying north. It does have like 8. And this is player 3. Right? So in that case, I would expect it to go south. Yeah, so it's actually going south, right? I think I know where the problem is. It could actually come. Never mind, I think this is a very, very edge case. I'm not gonna bother with this too much. I think this is fine. Like there's a lot of more complexity if I want to solve this very elegantly. I don't want to bother with this. Let's see what happened here. again, we build our shipyard very, very fast. Like one after the other. And then we just got attacked. Oh, actually, why do we build a shipyard that is so close to the other person? Okay, is that intended? I don't think that was intended at all. I don't remember. I remember having some logic to prevent that. Shipyard. Okay, now this is very, very bad. Build shipyard. Oh, it doesn't filter out. It doesn't filter out the thing. Oh my god. I have to consider whether it's close to enemies. Yeah, we should consider it. Oh, it's here. And why wasn't this above here? Yeah, I might have to rewrite this logic a little bit. Or do I not have this actually? Calculate loop reward. It is in the loop reward. Wait a second. It is in the calculate loop reward. It is in the calculate loop reward, so I didn't have to change it. Oh, okay. I see, because it's less than It is less than. Oh, okay. Less than 50, so I ignored it. Honestly, what is a good threshold? One, two, three. Okay, let's add another. I think potentially dangerous would be shipyard dot ship count is greater than 10 and shipyard dot max spawn is greater or equal to 3. I think this would prevent spawning like too close to these kind of dangerous spaces. Yeah, I think this would help. I think this would help. So this is our best result so far. Let's delete that and copy this so that we have a reference baseline of what is good, and then we will run another evaluation. Should I submit this or should I do the takeover enemy shipyard thing? I feel like I should do the takeover enemy shipyard thing first before I submit. But it sounds very good. Sounds very nice. Okay, I think this one we lost pretty heavily. Let's see. Okay. Again, I think this one is where we spawn the shipyard too fast. We have like 7 shipyards, when others only have like 4 or 5. It's helping us to spawn more ships, but we couldn't defend it. Yeah, there's just not enough ships to be able to defend the attack. How fast are we building these ships? So like 180, we're building one. 188, we're building a second one. 209. 222. I feel like it's reasonable. It's reasonable. It could have worked out. I mean, it does look like at some point we were winning. But the blue started to attack us. Right, so the blue started attacking us. And there's two players attacking us, so it's kind of very, very hard to defend at this point. Oh, it did survive longer than the pink, so it got attacked after it attacked us. So I mean, that's karma, but yeah, there's not much that we could have done here better, except for more efficient farming, I guess. Yeah, I don't think we could have done any better than that. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this new AI is turning out. I mean, there are a few bugs that we fixed, so I'm pretty confident that we're gonna do better this time around. Right? So what we did is avoid being eliminated late game. We mine safely. We prefer to mine safely. Fix the disadvantage bug, which is the same as this, which fixed this bug, so it's not an existing bug. Fix collide distance, update rule. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's the collide distance, okay. Okay, so this one will build shipyard safely. And let's wait for the evaluation to be over. I think this guy submitted a new agent. This guy submitted a new agent. Yeah, let's see why it won. I'm quite curious on why it actually did so much better. Okay, so it's just building ships next to each other. I feel like that's a strategy I've seen quite often. I'm not sure if that's a good strategy though. Where is us? We're below him. And we're busy defending against attack from blue. While still building shipyards. Huh. So the pink started to attack us with a lot of ships. At this point, it's basically lost because the pink just have so much more. It's just like a massive conglomerate of shipyards here. How does it do the explore though? Like it's just exploiting that part of the map. But how does he have so much cargo? Oh yeah, how does he have so much cargo? Oh, he's sending out ships super far away. Like very far away. Uh-huh. Very interesting strategy. So it's a completely different strategy from us. Oh, we almost get second. Like we're one turn late. Oh, not one turn too late, but several turns too late. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting strategy here. By the way, did we do coordinated attack? Because I don't think I've seen a coordinated attack. $59 East 1E. Okay, so we already got that. Let's see if we did everything we expected. So it's supposed to send ship to front line. Oh no, what did I press? Accidentally open up Xcode. So we're supposed to send ship to front line. Oh wait, it didn't happen at all. We didn't send ship to front line at all. Coordinate attack? No. Attack? No. Okay. Okay. Consume. Oh, we were consuming. Wait. There's no consume here. Oh, okay. It's. Oh, never mind. This is the old bot. This is the old bot that doesn't attack. Okay. I got it. This is not our new bot. Yeah. Okay, sure. Sure. I mean, if it does better for you, then it's good, I guess. This is okay. We lost one game, which is interesting, but we won most of the games. Here we're also winning, I would say, most of the games. Yes, correct. I should actually write a parser to pass this kind of information. Too lazy. Okay. Yeah, I think that's at least better, at least similar, if not better. Build ship yards safely. Avoid potentially dangerous shipyards. I think this is very descriptive. Okay, so let's find something that doesn't work that well. I think this works pretty well. And maybe this one doesn't work that well. Let's see if we can find something to improve on. I think sometimes it doesn't win, like this case and this case and this case. Let's see if we can improve and find out why it's not working that well. This one is wrong. Oh, this is an interesting case. This is a very interesting case. So we were definitely winning. But we were not attacking fast enough. All these shipyards are not doing anything. What the hell? What the hell is happening here? Like the shipyards are not doing, these two shipyards is not doing anything at all. What? Why? Why is that? It's definitely a bug. It's not supposed to not do anything. Let's see. 384. Reverse 384. Nothing to do. Why so many nothing to do? Oh, it was forbidden. Ah, so it's a weird interaction between. So it's a weird interaction here, I think. Yeah. Yowza, this is very, very bad. I don't know how. Actually, let me think how to fix this. So towards the end, we're not supposed to spawn ship. We were not supposed to spawn ship because we need to mine, right? So, oh, actually, it is before the spawn ship. Turn limit. Wait, is it before? Yeah, this is 390, right? So it's before that. And it's wait, that's weird. It's definitely not a peaceful ending, right? Yeah, it's not a peaceful ending for sure. Nothing to do. Why is it nothing to do? Let me find out where it prints nothing to do first. Okay, it's here, and then is it anywhere here? No. So it iterated through all the possible strategies and found nothing to do. What's stopping it from building ship? Smaller than max threshold. Core left. I think core left is a lot, right? Oh, we don't have core. That is why we don't have enough cores. Oh my god. Oh my god. We don't have enough cores. Of course, we don't have enough cores. Oh my god, that's such a stupid problem to have. And we're not attacking fast enough. I feel like towards the end, in this kind of situations, we should just force our way in. Like, let's say, right? So somewhere around turn 3, somewhere around here, right? Maybe let's pick a better case, like here, right? So you have a lot of ships here that we can easily take out all of these guys, but it didn't. it didn't take out all of them. And it's because we have this coordinated attack thing. Right? So everybody is attacking the same guy, or actually different guy. Actually, they are attacking different guys. Okay, they are attacking different guys. Also, actually, I think I already changed this to attack different guys, right? If there's overwhelming. Yeah, we already have this overwhelm attack. I'm pretty sure that was executing the O attack, right? Yeah, it is executing the O attack, which is correct, which is the correct thing to do, but apparently this O attack is not doing very well. And what's the attack max range? I guess it doesn't really matter in this case. $25. Oh, so it's attacking the same guy. Everybody's just attacking the same guy. That's why it didn't work. Right? So I guess interesting. Oh, I see. I think I have a very simple tweak. We just need to not attack the same guys, right? We just need to not attack the same guy. Oh my god, it's so simple, right? And each turn we just don't attack the same guy. Actually, that would solve all our problems, right? For example, in this case, all of them are attacking the same guy. Almost all of them are attacking the same guy. I think actually everyone is attacking the same guy here. So yeah. Everybody is just attacking the same guy. Okay, okay. I see. Very easy to fix. Very, very easy to fix. Already attacking equals to record string boolean, right? So best candidate. Then we get already attacking best candidate equal to the position to string equals to true, right? So we're already attacking this. Let's put it here. And not already attacking. Okay, I think this is gonna be so much better than the previous version. It's crazy that this was there. It's crazy that we left this here. I feel like this is very, very important. We shouldn't be all attacking the same guy for sure. Maybe we could allow some people to attack the same guy, but I feel like okay, maybe this is not the best fix. I can see why it would not work in this case. But let's see first. Wait, did we leave you in it? Anyone? Oh, we didn't eliminate this guy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Already attacking. Okay, counts. Okay. Not we can allow some people to attack the same guy, but not everybody, right? Number. Yeah, we allow max of 3 attacking the same guy. I feel like that should be fine. I think that should be fine. 3 attacking the same guy. Actually, we could have made it a formula, but it's a bit overkill, I feel like. 3 to attack the same guy. It's working pretty well. I would say. Let's take a look at how well it's doing. I feel like we could actually use a formula to optimize even further. It's coordinated attack. Oh, it's not even overwhelming attack. It's just coordinated attack. Already won. Okay, anyway. When there's no O attack. There's no O attack. Why is it coordinated attack, not overwhelming attack? Oh, because it's already attacking. Wait a second. It's supposed to. Oh, okay. This one is wrong. Okay, okay. I see. Uh, Already attacking count. Oh, shipyard. I forgot to initialize this. Equal to 0. Okay, I think this. Actually, the coordinate attack is also fine, yes. But I think this is better. Okay, it's slower than I expected, but let's see. Yeah, now we have a mix of this attack and the coordinated attack. Full attack. So it's attacking different targets for sure. Shipyard spawn, nothing to do. Build shipyard spawn. A lot of build shipyard spawn here. I don't think you're supposed to build shipyard spawn at the end. Let's see. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I think we reach a saturation point. I think we reach a saturation point where like there's more than there's more than 60. If we have more than if there are more than 60 shipyards, we should stop spawning. Stop spawning shipyards. Saturated equals to 4.shipyards. Okay. How do we get the list of shipyards? Total shipyard count. Total enemy shipyard count. Total shipyard count. Players. Total shipyard count plus equal to if greater than 60. I think greater than 60 is fine, right? So this is already 6. Maybe you can afford to build more. Like 60 is more than enough. Total shipyard count is greater than 60. And my shipyard count cannot be the case where we don't have enough shipyards, right? So we need to set a rule that our shipyard count meet our shipyards though. Greater than 50. Okay, so this will trigger saturated. If saturated the shipyard saturated. Okay. Okay, I think this would fix a lot of problems for us. Okay, I'm glad we had the logs so that we can identify this issue of continuously trying to build shipyard when it's already saturated. Okay, that looks a lot better, I guess. And we're ending game like faster. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's see. Nothing to do. Build shipyards. Build ship. Okay, so it's not building shipyards, right? Yeah, it stopped doing the shipyard thing towards the end. Thing. This is turn 3-1. Yeah, it's good that it stopped. And then afterwards, it's just attacking and building ships. And what about send to front line? Okay, it is sending to front line, but it stopped. It stopped. Let me see if we can tune this a little bit. Oh, actually, we already removed the thing. Min ship count to send help. Yeah, so this is stopping some of the shipyards to send, right? I think. Let's see the logs. The last time we were sending is 310. And after that, we basically stopped sending. Everything is just nothing to do. What happened around turn 315? Oh, we run out of core. Oh, we run out of core. We run out of core. Are we mining? We are mining. Huh? We're still mining. Okay, we're still mining. So I guess that's okay. That's okay. That's not too bad. So we fix the already attacking. And we fix the saturated. Overwhelm. Attack. Different targets. Stop. Shipyard. Build if saturated. I feel like this is gonna do way better than my previous baseline. I think hopefully it's still better. I don't know. I just got a feeling that this is like very good strategy. Oh, we haven't even implemented this, so I think we'll keep this as a secret towards the end of the competition, so that we can still have advantage over other people. We can leave this as the last resort. Like, if we can't get onto the top 3 of the leaderboard by the end of last day, we'll use this. I feel like it's definitely gonna improve our chance. So we don't want to show off all our cards like at the beginning or in the middle. We want to leave some secret weapons towards the end. I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna do the same. Keep some stuff towards the end. Which is interesting. Okay, this top 2 guys are like way ahead of everybody else. I don't know if I can actually beat them. That's quite scary to think about. I mean, it's just playing against my agent. You just constantly play against my agent and beating it. Let's see if we can find. Yeah, this one. It's not playing against us. Let's see how well it is. So far, no attacks yet. Okay, so this guy is the first to build shipyard. And immediately people start attacking him. He's defending. And he's losing a little bit. Now he has less ships than the red. And the red is being attacked by the blue. So the blue and the red are attacking each other, and on the top, these two are attacking each other. So that's pretty bad, right, for the blue and red. Why are you attacking each other when there's a more powerful enemy? Well, at this point, it's pretty much GG. I think the pink strategy is to extend towards the center. I feel like that's his strategy. So it's quite interesting. And it also has a lot more cores than a usual attacker would do. I don't know how he does it. Oh, I think he just like mines with more miners than a typical person would do, and it mines like the center, so it's like kind of profitable. It's also maintaining a ship count not too high. Honestly, I think his code is probably very optimized. It's probably using some neural network models, not a rule-based one. That's my feeling, because these moves are very good. Like he's spawning the base at the correct places. So you should definitely consider spawning bases towards the center. I mean, the other center is it's here, right, towards the other edge of the map. But I feel like this center is the one that less people are inclined to go to. I don't know if I'm gonna win against this, to be honest. Let's keep watching some clips to see if I can learn something. Okay, a lot of base swapping. Holy shit. Actually, at this point, okay. The red is just coming over us. How do we lose so many ships? Oh, it's this ship. Trying to mine. And unfortunately it got took over. So we lost some cargo. Holy shit. $60 North 3. It's trying to attack that actually. But maybe this is something we could optimize. So when you are attacking, you're supposed to find a safe path to attack. I don't know, maybe you don't, but yeah, there's not. I think this is a very minor optimization. I don't really care too much about that, to be honest. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh, actually, we're doing worse. We're doing worse than the previous one. Like, yeah, the previous one was better. Okay, the near one is still about the same. No attacker one. Okay. I think we're definitely doing better for this one. Compared to the previous. I mean, it's about the same actually. So why are we not doing better when the attacker is far? And we're losing quite a lot of this. I mean, not by a large margin, but this too, right? So let's see what went wrong. Quite curious on what went wrong in two of these engagements. I mean, we're still winning majority of them, but it's just like those two looks pretty close, so I don't know what happened there. I think this is a good example, right? So let's take a look at this. Pretty standard stuff. We got attacked, that's not good. I think we just took it. Oh wait, actually why? Actually why we didn't swap base? Oh, that's quite strange. I thought we would swap base for sure. It's 149. Let's check out. Prepare collide, nothing to do. Why didn't swap? We didn't even attempt to swap, right? We didn't even attempt to swap. Let's see. Swap this distance is smaller than swap distance. Fleet.ship count is greater. Fleet times 2.1 is greater than shipyard count. 1, 2, 3. It is greater. Shipyard ship count is greater than ship count is greater than 2 times 2 is greater than total. Yeah, it looks like it should. fleet.ship count times 2.1 is greater than shipyard ship count. I mean, yes, right? Attacker shipyards per length equal to 1. Shipyard ship count is greater. Shipyard ship count is greater than the attacker ship count. Shipyard ship count times 2. 200 is greater than the total ship count. Oh, 50 times 2.1. It's only 105. It's okay. So 24 times 2.1 is 50. 2.2 is 52. 0.3 is 53. 2.5. Okay, so we have to tune this a little bit more carefully, right? 50 times. So when do I stop caring? When do I stop caring about this? I mean, 2.5 sounds better. 2.5 sounds better, actually, right? So if it's we have 1 to more than 2, more than 1 to 5, we don't care. But if we are less than 1 to 5, wait, the logic goes like this. So if you have 1 to 5, so we don't want to lose too much. We don't want to lose like more than 50. I think that's the main point. Let's say someone with 200 attacked us with 300. Okay, so it's I think it's more of a ratio thing. So let's try to run this again. I think this is a minor tuning, but I think it's worth it to tune this ratio. Maybe this is why we're losing some of these games. Oh, we actually lost this one. It just collided with the guy. And it collided again. Holy shit, this is super unlucky. This is very, very unlucky, but can we do better? We're sending off 50. The other people have already started sending off 50. Oh, I see. I see. This one is just per turn. We should move it outside. So that it continuous like so this is data across ticks, right? This is variables across the ticks. Okay, I think this will help us do better. Yeah, I feel like that's quite important actually in some of these situations. Let's see, did it help actually? So it's sending out the D, we take over this one. Now we're sending 51s. We're sending spawn 28. We should be sending out 51s. Okay, sending out 51. Okay, so that's good. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's see if we can find another problem. Yeah, this is a bug that has been there forever. I didn't realize this bug until recently. I guess it's not that important. Okay, looks pretty promising. Okay. Okay, tune defense strategy. Tune escape strategy. Keep size variable cross ticks. Now I have a good feeling that this is gonna outperform all the baselines. Oh my god, every time I kept saying that, but sometimes that doesn't do better in some cases. I kept discovering new bugs in my code. I kept discovering like, oh no, this thing was not working and only showed up recently. I feel like there's a lot of loopholes in my code, and it's only triggered at certain situations. So like you have to keep checking it to find the loophole. Yeah, so there's probably a lot more bugs than I imagined. hopefully we're only fixing bugs, not tuning hyperparameters. So I think the size thing, I'm pretty sure that's a bug, because it's always desirable to keep it across ticks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's desirable. No more new discussions. Okay, never mind. Running our evaluation. I think it should take shorter time to evaluate because we're eliminating people out. That's a side benefit, actually. Mm-hmm. Okay, 2 finished. Last one. It's getting very, very long to get this out. Don't know why it takes that long. I almost feel like if I can eliminate the I/O problems, it will be faster. I feel like, because I am running the almost the most advanced chip, M1 chip. It's not M1 Max, but it's M1, so it should be fast. I don't know, maybe Python is not optimized. Maybe. I'm using Python 9. Oh, why are they destroying the stuff? God, this looks scary. Looks very scary. Holy shit. Okay. It's not. It's not doing the logs anymore. Far. This is interesting. So we're winning some, but also losing quite a lot of games. That's a little bit concerning. This one is okay. We're winning all of them. Almost all of them. This one also okay. Winning most of them. Yeah, we're definitely winning most of them. I wonder why it's like that. But at least we're second, right? Okay, let's run one of them to see what actually went wrong. I'm quite curious because I thought this is gonna way outperform everything else. Apparently it didn't. Yeah, the previous one was so much better. Oh my god. You see the difference here? Like the previous one was like way better. Like that's unacceptable. Oh my god, this one was very close to losing. Did we tune something that made it worse? At this point, we already have a lot of advantage. We can just basically send everything out. Somehow it took a lot of... Oh, I see. It's not attacking those strongholds towards the end. Also, the pathing is a little bit problematic towards the end because you can go into your own GPR, right? Let's check our... Actually, what did we change? Guess we tune the overwhelm attack so that it becomes less effective against this type of enemies. Right, so that's one theory. Oh, it only allows 3. Oh, that could be the reason why. That could actually be the reason why it's taking so long, because we only allow 3 people to attack. Yeah. Hmm. I think there are 2 phases. The first phase is we allow 3 to attack so that we can spread out, but towards the end, I feel like we should focus if there's less than, 5, right? So maybe we can change a little bit here. I feel like the attack strategy is actually quite hard to tune, right? So okay, so let's say let concurrent attack equal to 3. When do we want to allow more to attack? Since we're already in the overwhelm attack, that means we have overwhelming advantage already. Let's say, okay. So how do we describe this situation best using code? If our shipyard is more than twice of the enemy shipyard, I think we can just use a simple heuristic. If there's less than if there's less than 10 shipyards, then we can allow concurrent attack max to be higher. end game faster if view ship yards left. If enemy ship yards. Yeah, I think this is the enemy shipyards. If enemy yards dot length is smaller or equal to 10, current attack max equal to 5. Right, I think that's fair. Is there a better way though? I feel like raising a concurrent attack won't really help that much. It feels like the ships are not moving to where it needs to be, right? I don't know, it feels weird. At least we eliminated most of them. There's only one left. Let's try this out first. I feel like this is still not the optimal. Or it's actually round 2. Oh wait. It died. Okay. Okay, something went wrong in the latest code. $297. Set property undefined. What is this though? Oh my god, what did I do? Okay, this one. Maybe it's because of this, I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully it's because of that. Okay, we're ending faster. And much faster, okay. Seems to help a little bit at least. Focus attack at the end. Let's run an evaluation. Okay, be right back. All right, we're back. Let's see how it worked. Far, pretty good, I would say. Winning most, near. Wow, that's fabulous. We won almost all of the game, like by elimination. Only one game we didn't win. It's pretty good. No attackers, it's pretty good as well. It is much better than I expected. Holy shit, it almost won all of them completely. This is crazy. This is a new best thing we've ever came to. Definitely gonna submit this. I think this have a very high chance of overtaking our previous high score. Our previous high score was let's see, 1220. I think this one is gonna do much better. Hopefully it gets to 13 something. I don't know if you can beat the top two, but definitely I think you should beat this guy. I mean, beat ourselves for sure. Because we just beat ourselves. Like you can see just now, we beat ourselves, right? All right. So this is our new baseline. New baseline. Run npm run package. Let's run it one more time. And let's see what we changed. My submission, new AI. Okay, so this is what we submitted yesterday. And we did quite a few changes. 13 hours ago, right? So we're gonna submit a new one. We're going to submit a new one. And wait. Okay, submitting a lot of code. Okay. So what is our changes? New baseline, right? So we have a new baseline. Bug fixes. These are bug fixes. Will shipyard avoid potentially dangerous? Yeah. Okay. Overwhelm. Okay. Tune escape strategy. Escapes. Okay. Focus attack at the end. Wait. But that's all, right? Yeah, that's all. That's all the thing. That is all. Okay. I don't know if I can do it multiple lines, but let's try this. Oops. Let's try if this formatting actually stays there. I don't think so, but we will see. Yeah, it didn't stay there. Okay, sure. Oh wait, if I edit, oh, it doesn't stay there as well. Okay. This is so much more new things though. I feel like we're back to the tuning things. Oh, we fixed the disadvantage bug, right? Oh wait, this is the other one. So my prediction is this one is gonna get to at least 1200. Oh my god, I made so many. Okay, this one dropped pretty low actually. Interesting. So these guys are not doing so well. Actually, I should make a table of different features I tried and see which one is actually better. If this is like unlimited, I would be able to do the grid search like that by playing against actual players. Yeah, let's check out the comments, and if there's nothing more, I think that will be the end of the stream. I think I'll review how it did in the next stream. Thank you all for watching.